In this video, I will show you how to set up email automations in WIX Forms. First, go to your site dashboard and we need to make sure that WIX Forms is added to your site. So go to Apps, then search for WIX Forms. Now click on it, then click on Open. Here you will be able to create a form, just add in a field that you want to include. And you can also change the name of your form. I'm gonna name it as Form Auto and save it. After that, you can go back to your dashboard, then scroll down and go to Automations. Now click on New Automations in the top right, then select on Get an Email when a form is submitted and set it up. Once in, click on the first trigger. Here you can select which forms trigger this automation. You can choose from any or specific. If you choose unspecific, just select in the form that you made. And now click on the second trigger. Here you can edit the email. Just customize it to your liking. And going back, you can also set email type from promotional, business transactional, or business critical. You can also set recipient. You can also add in additional steps. Like here, I'm adding delay. You can choose from minutes to months. I'm gonna choose on minutes. Then just click on apply. Once done customizing the automation, just click on activate on the top right corner. And now your automation will be active. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.